I think from Paytm Karo to AI Karo is the correct acknowledgement of it.
We are joined by none other than Vijay Shekhar Sharma of Paytm, who needs no introduction. But what does need some introduction is the device he's holding in his hand. He has called it a device that's better than a smartphone out there right now. So VSS, I would like to take us through what this device is and what this entails for the payment ecosystem of a retailer out there.
Well, up till now, Soundbox has solved for the payment problem or the trust safety of payment problem. We today are taking it as an AI device on the counter, where we are not calling it just a payment device. We are calling it AI device on the counter. This is going to become a chief operating officer, chief finance officer of a business, and that is available to every small or large business. The best thing that I can tell you that this device will do is that power of AI technology inclusion day one, that you will have it, that the smallest of the business in India will have access to the technology like no other.
Can you take us through what the hardware of the device currently is?
This is an Android custom-made device. It is something that can take card payment, it can generate QR, and the best part is by pressing Paytm, you can ask it a question and it will do that. It'll do the payment transaction and every other thing that you can talk about it. So you can talk to it that I want to know this answer, and then it'll work on this.
Right, and you said very interesting thing. The tagline might just change now from Paytm Karo to AI Karo.
Yes.
Does that signify in some way that Paytm is going towards a huge artificial intelligence push going forward?
Well, everything that we will do will proceed and lead the AI revolution in the country. I believe it comes upon a generation to take the leap of faith and put everything all in on that. As Paytm, we are all in on API, all in on AI. And yes, I think from Paytm Karo to AI Karo is the correct acknowledgement of it.